Here's the stock Sounds Plus Vocalizer board pair in a Xenon pinball machine. And underneath it is my replacement board set that replaces those two boards. It does both the sound effects and the speech. It's the exact same circuit as my Squawk Talk board, just laid out in a form factor that fits the Xenon Sounds Plus side. It's got the 3 relays to run external lighting mods. It has the onboard 5-volt generation, so it's not using 5 volts from the solenoid driver board. It has the same dip switch settings as my Squawk Talk board, so it can play other games, and you can turn up to 8 different sound banks on, depending on which custom sound set you'd like to use. It's got the MP3 player with the MicroSD card in it and a mono amplifier. Then it uses the same 18-pin connector that the stock soundboard uses, and it has the same 2-pin speaker connection. So let's try the new replacement soundboard with the game actually playing. Let's coin it up and start the game.
Enter Xenon.
Now I've got the background sounds turned on, and for this Sounds Plus Vocalizer pair, the background sounds are treated differently than the Squawk Talk board in that the individual tones are commanded one after another. It's the same command, and the soundboard just plays different notes. Where on the stock Squawk Talk board in the other games, the background sound is commanded once and expected to play throughout the entire game. Now those voices are a little bit different on this card. I defined those as voices, those ah sounds when you hit the pop bumpers. And when you define something as a voice, it plays them one after another instead of playing them when they come in. And it sounds really annoying right now, so I'm going to have to change those to sound effects so they'll play more like the stock board.